My name is Mickey Shobat, and I'm a certified financial planner practitioner at Halliday Financial. I'm here to tell you that my team and I started a new project on YouTube called Whiteboard Explained. Since we specialize in working with educators, we thought it would be a good idea to change the roles, get in front of the whiteboard, and share our knowledge and experience. In these videos, we're going to talk about personal finance, break down some basic financial planning concepts, talk about investing, retirement planning, purchasing a home, and more. In order to stay up to date, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our social media accounts. Let's get started.